Hi, I'm Divya Lakshmi. I've graduated Bachelor's of Architecture from Ali Mohammad Saleh Academy of Architecture in the year of 2020. At the end of the wonderful 5 years, I've secured a rank in overall Tamil Nadu from Anna University. Currently, I'm doing my post-graduation at School of Architecture and Planning, Anna University, Chennai. So it's a very proud moment for my family and my friends. And I'd like to thank the whole institution, the teaching and non-teaching staff of the esteemed institution for supporting me throughout the 5 years of my wonderful journey. They have molded my skills of amateur sketching into a professional architect. ஆர்கிடெக்சர்ன்றது ஒரு 5 year ஜேர்னி. ஸோ அதில் வந்து வி ஸ்டார்டட் அவுட் ஆஸ் மியர் ஸ்கெட்சர். ஸோ அதை வந்து ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷ்னலாக எடுக்கிறதுக்கு லாட் ஆஃப் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி சப்போர்ட் அண்ட் சீனியர் சப்போர்ட் வாஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல். All the faculties were very approachable and they also gave us a lot of freedom during our design. So this institution does not merely teach you just architecture, but also how an architecture should not be. So most of the institution does not handle that very well. And we were also having a lot of facilities like libraries and computer labs, which were very useful during our design duration. During my time in AMS, there were a lot of memorable moments, and one of them was my experience in Dubai during a study tour in my third year. So we were taken with a lot of students to Dubai to have a hands-on study and live experience with all those tall structures and coming up architecture there. So we were able to have a lot of views on the modern architecture there, and also get a live experience with the architects who designed those structures. So that was very explorational and very useful for a budding architect like me. So thank you for that. I'd like to thank all the members who were accompanying us in that tour. We were also able to meet a lot of architects who were belonging to MR, which is a number one architecture company in the world. So I'd like to thank all of them who are taking part in that. So after graduating, currently I'm doing some freelance projects, and besides I'm studying MArch at School of Architecture and Planning at Anna University, Chennai. My future plan is to study PhD at Melbourne University, Australia. That's my dream. So I'm working towards it. To all the juniors who are currently studying architecture, I would like to tell something. That is, it may be a pressurized journey of 5 years. You may face a lot of problems, you may face a lot of stuck-ups, but it's going to be a really memorable journey at the end of it. So as a graduate, after studying 5 years of architecture, that was one takeaway I took from it. So just don't study for the sake of studying it. Enjoy the journey, and just don't do work just for the timeline, but also learn something from it. Take away things from each of the work you're doing in these 5 years, and also try to gain knowledge from all the sources you're getting. Just don't merely do your studies just for paying the fee. Enjoy the journey, and let us all build the fraternity of architecture together. Once again, I'd like to thank all the members of this esteemed institution and the management of Ali Mohammad Saleh. For all the upcoming architects as my juniors, all the best for your future.